Demonstrate and describe exhaust system.
Vehicle is safe and secure. Transmission brakes are applied. Window roll up. Fan on number 3 towards my face. There is no exhaust leak from exhaust assembly. There is no exhaust leak from the manifold. There is no exhaust leak from the flex pipe. There is no exhaust leak. Next pipe under the cab. The door goes behind the cab from the muffler. Muffler is on the top of the body. The cab is faster. The muffler has no brand, no damage to the hood. Now we'll go inside and try to smell any exhaust leak. I could not smell any exhaust leak in my cab. That means my exhaust system is working properly. Now we read major and minor defects.